Hello everyone, in this video lesson I am going to present the summary and important questions of the story The Lost Doll. Let's begin. The Lost Doll, Arloti Jansen. Story. Characters: Maria del Carmen, sick and dead child. Rosa Soto, mother. Roberto Soto, father. Evangelina, healthy child rebirth. Rosa's sister. Priest, take Carmen's things. A real nice man, Angel. Bogota, Rosa's sister's village. Dolly, blue eyes and a red dress, buried under a big tree. A story from Colombia, South America. Summary. Little Maria del Carmen was the single child of Rosa and Roberto Soto. Maria del Carmen, Rosa Soto र रोबर्टो सोटोको एक्लो छोरी हुन्छन्. Carmen was a beautiful, bright, kind and loving child. Carmen राम्री, उज्याली, दयालु र मायालाग्दी खालकी हुन्छन्. She was sick from the birth. उनी जन्मैदेखि नै बिरामी भइराख्ने हुन्छन्. So she died at 4. त्यही भएर उनी 4 वर्षको उमेरमा उनको मृत्यु हुन्छ. After a few days of her funeral ceremony, Rosa gave away Carmen's things to a priest of another village. र उनको काजक्रिया सकेको केही दिनपछि रोजाले कार्मेनको सबै कपडाहरू र जति पनि उनका कुराहरू हुन्छन् सबै कुरा अर्को गाउँको पुजारीलाई दिएर पठाइदिन्छन्. Because the doctor had told her that she would not have any more children. र पुजारीलाई सबै कार्मेनको सबै सामान दिएर पठाउनुको कारण डाक्टरहरूले अब तिमीहरूको बच्चा हुँदैन भनेर भनेको हुनाले उनले त्यसो गरेकी हुन्छन्. But father Roberto still had some hope. तर रोबर्टोलाई चाहिँ आफ्नो बच्चा हुनेमा विश्वास हुन्छ. Meanwhile, Roberto asked whether she had given away the little doll too. र त्यही बेलामा रोबर्टोले चाहिँ त्यो कार्मेनको त्यो गुडिया पनि दियो भनेर पनि सोध्छ. रोजा wondered that it was not there. रोजा अचम्म मानेर भन्छन् कि त्यो सामानहरूमा त्यो गुडिया थिएन भनेर भन्छन्. They looked for it everywhere. तिनीहरूले त्यो गुडियालाई चारैतिर खोज्छन्. But after some days later, they forget to think about the doll and began to think the upcoming baby. र केही समयपछि तिनीहरूले त्यो गुडियाको बारेमा बिर्सिदिन्छन् र रोजाको पेटमा हुन्छ त्यो बच्चाको बारेमा तिनीहरूले सोच्न सुरु गर्छन्. On the first anniversary of Carmen, Rosa gave birth to another baby girl. र कार्मेनको ठ्याक्क 1 वर्ष पुगेकै दिनमा रोजाले अर्को छोरीलाई जन्म दिन्छन्. Rosa thought that God gave them their baby back. र रोजालाई लाग्छ कि भगवानले आफ्नो बच्चा फेरि फर्काइदिएको जस्तै लाग्छ. She looked like Carmen. र यो नयाँ जन्मेको बच्चा चाहिँ ठ्याक्कै कार्मेन जस्तै हुन्छन्. She was baptized with the name Evangelina. उनको नाम इभान्जेलिना भनेर राखिन्छ न्वारानमा. Her actions and characters were to Carmen. यी इभान्जेलिनाको व्यवहार र काम गर्ने हरेक कुराहरू चाहिँ कार्मेन जस्तै मिल्ने हुन्छ. The important difference them was that Evangelina was healthy. र यी दुईको बीचमा फरक भनेको नयाँ जन्मेको बच्चा इभान्जेलिनाको स्वास्थ्य एकदमै राम्रो हुन्छ. Evangelina turned 4. She herself said that she was very sick a long time before. जब इभान्जेलिना 4 वर्षको पुग्छिन् उनले आफू लामो समयदेखि बिरामी भइरहेको कुराहरू अरूलाई बताउने गर्छिन्। They thought that she said so because she heard them talk often about Carmen. उनीहरूलाई लाग्छ यो हामीले कार्मेनको बारेमा धेरै कुरा गर्ने भएको भएर यिनले पनि त्यो बिरामी भएको कुरा गर्ने गर्छिन् भन्ने जस्तो मान्छन्। One day Roja's sister came to visit her. एक दिन रोजाको दिदी उनलाई भेट्न आउँछिन्। As both sisters were talking about various things. दुवै दिदी बहिनीहरू बसेर धेरै कुराहरूको बारेमा गफ गरिरहेका हुन्छन्। Evangelina entered in the room and told her aunt that she was very sick long time ago. र त्यतिकैमा इभान्जेलिना आउँछिन् र आफ्नो आन्टीसँग आफू लामो समयदेखि बिरामी भएको कुरा फेरि राख्छिन्। They laughed but Evangelina began to cry. र रोजाको दुवै दिदी बहिनी हाँस्छन् र त्यसपछि इभान्जेलिना रुन सुरु गर्छिन्, चिच्याउँछिन्। And said she had a little doll. र आफूसँग त्यो गुडिया अझै पनि भएको कुरा भन्छिन्। Then Evangelina exposed the fact that she had buried it under a big tree in the yard. र त्यसपछि त्यो उनीहरूले तिनको कुरा नपत्याएपछि आफूले त्यो गुडिया ठुलो रुख घर पछाडिको आँगनमा ठुलो रुखको तल गाडेको कुरा राख्छिन्। Then they went and dug the ground. र सबैजना त्यहाँ पुग्छन् र त्यो जमिन खन्छन्। They found the doll which missed before long time. र खनेपछि त्यहाँ तिनीहरूले त्यही गुडिया भेटाउँछन् जो गुडिया चाहिँ धेरै लामो समयदेखि हराइरहेको हुन्छ। रोजा asked the fact to Evangelina. रोजाले चाहिँ इभान्जेलिनासँग सत्य कुराहरू बताउनको लागि भन्छिन्। She said when she slept a nice man woke up. जब उनी सुतेकी हुन्छन् तब एउटा नाइस म्यान आएर उनलाई उठाउँछ। He saw the dolly in her hand and asked her to leave it there because she did not need it now. जब त्यो मान्छेले गुडिया चाहिँ आफ्नो हातमा देख्छ अनि त्यसपछि तिमीलाई अब यो जरुरत पर्दैन, तिमीले यहीँ छोडेर जाऊ भनेर भन्छ। Then he helped her to bury the doll. त्यसपछि उसैले नै त्यो गुडिया त्यहाँ गाड्दिनको लागि सहयोग गर्छ। Short questions. In what ways were Maria del Carmen and Evangelina alike? Maria del Carmen and Evangelina were same in many ways. Evangelina looked like Carmen. Her actions were also like Carmen. Even her characters also like same. She thought that God cured her sick baby and returned to her. The priest also amazed to look Evangelina, and her name was baptized Evangelina, which means rebirth. What evidences are there in the story to show that the Soto family was poor? Normally, villagers were poor. They worked in the farm. Roberto had dirty hands as he had come from farm. Roberto said that Carmen's things were to be kept safe for the next child, whose birth is impossible. They could not buy new things easily, especially poor people don't believe on doctors. All these circumstances of the story, their poverty can be realized, and it shows that the Soto family was poor. What could be the reasons for attending Carmen's funeral by almost everyone? Whom people loved very much, those persons, any programs were full of mass. So naturally, there are many reasons for attending Carmen's funeral programs by almost everyone. One of the most important reasons is that she was so cute, bright, kind and loving child. Nobody can stay without loving her. The next reason is that everyone had sympathy for her because she was sick from the day of her birth and she died in so young age. Why did Roberto want to save Carmen's things? There are so many reasons that the father of Soto family wants to save the Carmen's things. At first, they are poor family, and although doctor had already told them that she can't give birth any child in the future, so there is no point to save the Carmen's things. But the Roberto has still hope that she will give birth, and those things will be worthful for the next child. So Roberto wants to save the Carmen's things. Why did they name the new baby Evangelina? Soto family was expecting a new baby although doctor had already told them that Rosa couldn't have any more children. But she became able to give birth again and she gave birth a baby girl and baptized her Evangelina. Maria del Carmen and Evangelina were same in many ways. Evangelina looked like Carmen, her actions were also like Carmen, even her characters also like same. She thought that God cured her sick baby and returned to her. The priest also managed to look Evangelina and her name was baptized Evangelina, which means rebirth. Thank you for joining with me in this video lesson and subscribe my channel to get my upcoming video lessons continuously and keep suggesting us. See you soon.